One can choose to go back towards safety and forward toward growth. My life is all about growth and change. A very warm greeting, everyone. My name is Paramjeet Singh. I belong to Amritsar. This is famous for food and religion. I am pursuing MBA in Marketing and Finance from lovely professional university. I completed my graduation in BCom from Amritsar College of Engineering, Amritsar. During my graduation, I always drawn towards sales and marketing finance, and have always been excited how the sales and marketing finance division of companies drive businesses. With a strong wish to learn the practices in the field of understanding and psychologically as well as managerial aspect related to the domain, I choose this specialization of marketing and finance in MBA. I have an experience of 2 months internship under chartered accountant, where my role as intern was data entry and meeting clients regarding the GST return filing. I kick-started my extracurricular journey in LPU by joining Marketing and Finance Club, where I was given plenty of opportunities to explore myself, to conduct events and to manage teams. I also grabbed the club and also promote the club events. During this recent lockdown period, I undertook many online courses, namely like tax preparation of IRS, negotiating skills, which helped me in enhancing my skills and understanding in the area of marketing and finance. I was able to spend quality time enhancing my knowledge and industry awareness. My short-term goal is to gain industry exposure, grab opportunities in the field of marketing and finance, and to achieve my long-term of being a marketing and finance specialist. I wish to go this in the coming times. And apart from academics, I participated in numerous domains, even participated individually as a representative team from a school. I have spoken at various public speaking platforms by participating in debates, case study competitions, as well as in the cultural events, where I achieved a second prize also. During my free time, I read articles, marketing finance. Nowadays, I am dating myself with a digital marketing concept as well as it is a bone back of this industry now. And I have an active interest in the stock market, so I update myself on regular basis with industry news. As a knowledge for my brain, fitness for body, I am also fond of running and cycling to keep myself fit and high spirit. A person with a proactive approach towards solving problems is my tagline. And I am a strong believer in creating thinking and using innovation to problem, strongly believe in maintaining work ethic and make sure that I have completed my tasks with utmost sincerity. I am grateful to the opportunity given to the present myself. I show that with my skills, knowledge and experience, I will prove to be an asset for your company. Thank you.